Domain of this is affected by two things. First of all, it's under a root, so it has to be greater than or equal to 0. But because it's also in the denominator of a fraction, it actually cannot be 0. So we have to omit the 0. This, if you factor, you get x minus 1, x plus 1. So if you interpret as a graph, you get a parabola with roots of negative 1 and 1. When is this? Okay, when is this greater than 0? Clearly, here and here, which is when x is less than negative 1 or when x is greater than 1. So domain is x such that the set of real values. Okay, so you can see that when x equals negative 1 or 1, g at x, right? G at x will actually approach 1 over infinity, which means g at x, the y value, can be as large as we want it to be. Because if we have 1 over really small value, that's going to get really large. So we have to find the minimum. Okay, we just have to find the minimum. Okay, so note that when x is equal to 1 or negative 1, right, it becomes undefined. So as it approaches 1 or negative 1, it approaches infinity. But as x gets, goes towards the right here, y, okay, the y of this parabola, in other words, x squared minus 1 is actually approaching infinity. So for g at x, we have 1 over square root of a really large value, which is gonna approach a very small value. Okay, that means we cover the whole range. The range is y such that y is greater than 0, and of course it's approaching infinity, so that's our range, greater than 0.